Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about the crying ginger cat. Young Sheldon. So obviously Adopt Me is not removing the ginger cat. Many people say Adopt Me is in their depressed era. But I do think it's to get people to play ... Like the crying dog, it got a lot more people to play. I don't know how much, but it was a lot. But that's my opinion. What do you guys think? Comment below. Also don't forget to like, subscribe and turn notifications on so you won't miss out on my videos. That's all for today. This is Sunny signing out.